Okay, my name is Shane Webster. I'm the regional manager of our central locations. What was the question?
Yeah, so just talk.
We pride ourselves on our customer service, so we're going to have our technicians come to the door. They will have their safety items in hand, introduce themselves to the customer, and ask the customer to give us a tour of their home and show us what they want done. Our crews are trained to, listen to our customers and see what exactly they need to make sure that we get everything done in that customer's home that they want. We all wear our uniforms. That's one of our big things. Our guys are key to wear all of their uniforms. So you will always see Stanley Steemer on their shirt, Stanley Steemer on their hat. And then of course our big, huge yellow van lets you know that we are Stanley Steemer. We consider ourselves the best. So, first of all, we use all top-notch machinery. All of our systems, all of our tools, everything is proprietary to Stanley Steemer. That means that all of our corporate has tested out everything, making sure that we have all of the best machinery, all of the best products, to make sure that everything gets done as good as possible. Any company can have great machinery, great solutions, but it's really the people behind the cleaning units that are doing the work and paying attention to that detail. It's taking pride in what you're doing. So that's what we're really trying to instill into all of our technicians, is take pride in what you do. Take those few extra minutes to talk to the customer, to find out exactly what their concerns are and really address those, and then go above and beyond to see every little nook and cranny that maybe the customer hasn't even noticed, that we can make sure that 100% of that flooring or furniture or air ducts are 100% clean. The Stanley Steemer Guarantee is our workmanship guarantee. We guarantee that we're going to send good trained technicians into the home to make sure that everything is done properly. Our customers trust us to go into their bedrooms, under their beds, in their closets, places they don't even let their friends and family go. We always grab the customer at the end of the job and walk them through and show them everything that we've done, and to get their approval to make sure that they're 100% happy before we leave that home. But a step beyond that is to not only do everything properly, but to have that communication with the customer to make sure that they are happy with everything that is done. And that's the key to our business. We are obviously cleaners, but we are customer service first. When you do book online, we are still going to call you the day before and just confirm everything with you to make sure that you're getting everything that you deserve and everything you want, and confirm the time frame that we will be there the next day. We always have live people on the phone ready to take those calls anytime. And that's not just during business hours, that's 24 hours a day. So all of our customer service agents are by the phones waiting for any question that you have.